Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see experimental probability for year 9 and 10 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. Probability. Experimental probability. What is the meaning of experimental probability? It is a probability that is determined on the basis of a series of experiments. That means you are doing the experiment so many times. A random experiment should be repeated many times to determine their likelihood, and each repetition is known as your trial. You have to repeat your experiment so many times so that you can get the probability closer to the theoretical probability. As the number of trials or experiments increase, the value of the experimental probability gets closer to the theoretical probability. Experimental probability is also known as the relative frequency of an event. The relative frequency of an event is given as frequency of the event divided by the total number of trials. This is your experimental probability formula. As you can see that experimental probability is also known as relative frequency of an event. Let's see one example here. A 6-sided dice is thrown 100 times and the number 5 appears 14 times. Find the experimental probability of throwing a 5, giving your answer as a fraction in its lowest form. We are finding it out the experimental probability. We have to get the number 5, which is appearing only 14 times when you throw a dice 100 times. So my experimental probability is frequency of the event is 14 and the total number of trials you have is 100. So the experimental probability is given as 14 by 100. I need to give my answer in the lowest form. I have to cancel it with 2. So it will be 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10 and 0. My answer is 7 by 50. That will be your answer. Let's see the next example here. The frequency table shows the speed of 160 vehicles that pass a radar speed check on the fast road. This is the speed kilometer per hour. 20 to 29, this is the frequency is 14. 30 to 39, the frequency is 23. 40 to 49, the frequency is 28. 50 to 59, the frequency is 35. 60 to 69, the frequency is 52. And above 70 is 8. What is the experimental probability that a car is traveling faster than 70 km per hour? 70 km per hour plus. That means the cars are going with the speed of more than 70 km per hour. I am looking for the experimental probability for this, in which the car is traveling faster than 70 km per hour. There are 8 vehicles which are going more than 70 km per hour. So 8 is our frequency and the total number of vehicles are 160, which is your trials. Let's give the experimental probability for the first part. First part will be given as 8 over 160. I need to simplify that. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16 and 0. 2 1s are 2 and 20. My experimental probability is 1 by 20 for the first part. Let's see the second part here. If 500 vehicles pass the speed check, estimate how many will be traveling faster than 70 km per hour. The experimental probability that the car is traveling more than 70 km per hour is 1 by 20. This should be multiplied by 500 because there are 500 vehicles which are passing through the speed check. I'll write my answer as B part. Experimental probability is 1 by 20 and it should be multiplied by 500 because there are 500 vehicles. 0 will got cancelled from 0 here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 1 25. My answer is 25 vehicles. That will be your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.